very excited right now because I've just ordered new coffee machine and I'm going to pick up. I'm just so happy with this purchase. That's the one we are buying.
Yeah, that's the one. Yeah, there you go. It's quite heavy though.
Perfect. Oh, I don't think I can fit this in here.
That's what I thought too.
Maybe just open the back door, please. Okay, she's home and she's 20 kilos. Yeah, and even the store person was saying this is a really good choice. They never heard any bad reviews or hasn't come like faulty or anything like that. That was quite satisfactory. Anyway, I bought it and I'm very excited for my new coffee machine. Yeah, let's do unboxing. Good morning. I'm going to Melbourne. It's going to be a long drive. Just had my coffee with me. Thinking of having a couple of stops in the middle on my way. So yeah, let's see. Good morning. I'm currently staying at my friend's place here in Mount Albert. So I'm on my way for coffee. There's one cafe nearby. So I thought I'll try. My friend said that cafe is really good. So you should go and try. So yeah, I'm gonna go have some coffee. First coffee in the morning and then I'm planning to head to the city. And yeah, I'm just gonna explore from there. Cheers. This whole neighborhood is so gorgeous. Let me show you around. It's currently autumn in Australia and all trees look so gorgeous. Very pleasant weather as well. I'm here at Squid Bar, just trying their jasmine coconut cloud. It's really good. It's really good. Hey everyone, welcome back. I went to Fujifilm Creator Summit 2026 and it was lots of fun. I borrowed Fujifilm X100VI camera and I've tested it. It was so good. I really loved it. I wish I could buy it and probably I will. I got a goodie bag with that. That's from Alpaca. So I'm going to show you what's in the bag. So we have this beautiful text here. There's this flap that you can just put it in your carry-on bag straight away. Inside we have some pamphlets from other stores. There's lots of other stores there. So this is from Nisi. This is for, I think you can just attach your camera straight onto it, and if you have a backpack or something, or even in your hand, just like that. And yeah, I've got some vouchers as well from BenQ monitors. We also received some beauty products. That's from Skin Republic fragrance roll-on perfume. It smells so good. So it's something that I've bought from Fujifilm House of Photography pop-up. This is Fujifilm Quick Snap camera. You can just click as you go. I think that's 35mm camera. It's very cute, very handy, really beautiful design, just disposable camera. I'm very excited to see all the images I've captured. I'm really looking forward to use it for all purposes. It has all these pockets. It also has laptop sleeve. Oh yeah, one more thing. This is very beautiful Fujifilm embossed memory card holder. It's pretty. I just came to OMO Cafe. It's very close to my stay here. It's a bit cold in Melbourne. Yeah, it's very quiet, very chill. It's really cool cafe. So this will be my first time trying pour over coffee. I've also ordered yuzu egg benedict, which I'm also very excited about. This is very Japanese style cafe and it's very cool. I'm loving it. quite refreshing. And that's what I needed after a really strong coffee. That's really good. So that was Cafe Tomi. I've been wanting to try that since quite a while now. I'm kind of upset that they were sold out of Cocoa Cloud, which is, I think, their popular drink. So I assume that's why it's sold out, but it's only a midday yet since they opened and they were already sold out. So that was a bummer, but yeah, maybe next time. So now I'm heading to the Hub General Store, and they are rated top 100 stores in the world. So I'm quite excited. I've just discovered them on Instagram, and I think that would be worth visiting. Let's go. Went to Tone Coffee, and believe me, that's the best coffee I've ever tried. If you are here in Melbourne, I think you should definitely try it, and it's one of the best coffees you will ever have. And I've also got their Tiger Punch coffee beans, which they use it in all their espressos and all their coffees. It smells really good. I'm really excited to try when I get home.